नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic structural versus functional technique. Structural technique is the type of testing which is carried out to test the structure of code. Means you during the coding phase you are creating a structure. On that structure you add that code. Okay, so here I am talking about that thing. So it is also known as the white box testing, or you can say glass box testing. It is important because in a question paper the question setter or you can say may ask for the other name like white box testing or glass box testing. So don't be confused about these two terms. So this type of testing requires knowledge of the code, so it is mostly done by the developers. Okay, because here you are working on the code, so you need to about know the knowledge about that languages, okay, which are used in that code. So I'm talking about the computer language like C, C++, Java, etc. Okay, so don't confuse about that Hindi or English language. So it is more concerned with how system does it rather than the functionality of the system. It provides more coverage to the testing. For example, to test certain error message in an application, we need to test the trigger condition for it. But there must be many triggers for it. Like if possible to miss out one while testing the requirement drafted in SRS. Okay. So in simple you can say अब इस टेस्टिंग में पूरा ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर को हम कवर कर लेते हैं कि पूरी जो कोडिंग की गई है वो सही हुई है या नहीं हुई है, राइट. सो यू कैन से इट इज़ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू फंक्शनल टेस्टिंग. ओके, so there are different criteria that are used to perform such testings. Okay, and what are those like कंट्रोल सबसे पहले इसके लिए आपको कुछ टर्म्स जानना ज़रूरी रहेगा लाइक कंट्रोल फ्लो ग्राफ. व्हाट इज़ दैट कंट्रोल फ्लो ग्राफ? It is the graphical representation of the program which is depicted all the paths that may be traversed during the execution, and it contains basic block or node. It is a sequence of statements that such that control can only have one entry point and can exit the block only when all the statements have been executed. Next is the edge. It shows the control flow. Like for example, it is a control flow graph like you see in this figure. This is controlled by this whole module. Okay, this is you can say the node, parent node you can say, or these are the child nodes. Okay, so this is controlled by this node. So here N1, N2, N3, N4, N5 represent basic blocks or nodes, and E1, E2, E3, E4, E5 represents edges. ये आप edges इसको define करोगे, इनको हम nodes बोलते हैं जैसा कि हम जानते हैं ऐसे tree में होता है. So we can also observe that N2, N3, N4, N5 together represent the if loop. ये this is a kind of loop. अगर ये होता है ऐसे होता है तो ये करेंगे, ऐसे होता है तो ये होगा, ऐसे होता है तो यहाँ पे जाएंगे, ऐसे होता है तो यहाँ पे जाएंगे. Okay, this is a kind of loop. So in that the adequacy criteria is this term refers to the coverage provided by the test suites. Now come to the structural testing techniques. Uh, there are many different structural techniques or coverage now. So first is the statement coverage. Its aim is to test all statements present in the program. मीन्स जितना भी चीज़ प्रोग्राम के अंदर होगी वो सारी इसमें आएगी और वो देखी जाएगी, ठीक है, और टेस्ट होगी. तो उसकी एडुकेसी क्राइटेरिया देखी जाएगी, विच इज़ इक्वल टू 1 टू इंश्योर दैट 100% कवरेज। ओके, गुड मेजर क्या होगा टेस्टिंग का हर पार्ट का, ए टर्म ऑफ स्टेटमेंट, बट इट इज़ नॉट अ गुड टेक्निक फॉर टेस्टिंग द कंट्रोल फ्लो। ओके, सो इसमें देखेंगे हम, ये नोड हो गया हमारा, हेयर ऑल द स्टेटमेंट्स इन द प्रोग्राम कैन बी कवर्ड यूजिंग टू फ्लो। जैसे E1 से कहाँ जा रहा है हमारा E2, E2 से कहाँ जा रहा है E5, दूसरा हो गया E1 से हमारा क्या गया E3। तो दिस इज द फ्लो। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट हो गया हमारा ब्रांच कवरेज। ब्रांच कवरेज में क्या होगा, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज द डिसीजन कवरेज टेस्टिंग। इसमें इसका काम क्या होता है, इट्स एम इज टू टेस्ट ऑल द ब्रांचेस और एजेस एटलीस्ट वंस in the test suite, or to test each branch from a decision point at once. So it provides solution for the problem faced in statement coverage. Branch E4 will be covered here as we saw in previous example. So in this, branch testing provides a better coverage statement testing, but it is too has its shortcomings. It doesn't provide good coverage from different conditions that lead from node 1 to node 2, as it covers that branch only once. Okay, so this is an example. You see that N1, if A is greater than 2 or B is less than 8, this means if it is true then go to this, and if it is false then go to that node. Okay, so in this case 100% branch coverage can be provided as E1 से आपका कहाँ पे गया, E2 पे गया, और इसके बाद हमारा क्या हुआ, E1 से E2 एंड E3, ये टोटली कवरेज हो रहा है हमारा। ठीक है, अब हम देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, सेकंड हमारा आता है, इसमें हम जो एग्जाम्पल है हमारा, ए इज़ ग्रेटर देन 2 एंड बी इज़ ग्रेटर देन ए, सो ए ट्रू होगा और बी फॉल्स होगा। ठीक है, अगर हम यहाँ पे जो हमने लिखा है, क्योंकि और की कंडीशन लगाइए, या तो ये कंडीशन फॉलो हो गई या ये कंडीशन फुलफिल हो गई। ठीक है, कोई भी एक हो जाएगी तो हम यहाँ पे इसको सेकेंड इसमें हम आ जाएंगे नोट, नेक्स्ट नोट में। अब नेक्स्ट हमारा कवरेज हो गया कंडीशन कवरेज। इसमें इसका काम क्या होता है, इट एम्स टू टेस्ट इंडिविजुअल कंडीशंस विच पॉसिबल with possible different combinations of boolean input for the expression. It is modified of decision coverage, but it provides better coverage, and the problem discussed under branch coverage can be resolved here. So यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि सीरियल नंबर हो गए ए बी, और ए और बी means either A is true or B is true. Okay, the condition of A or B. So this is, you can say, the truth tables, you can also say. You learned this in the maths matrix. Okay, so or topology. Okay, so the next is the path coverage. In the path coverage, it's E is to test the different path from entry to the exit of the program, which is the combination of different decisions taken in the sequence. So the paths can be too many to be considered for testing. For example, a loop can go on and on. It can be avoided using cyclomatic complexity, which helps in finding out the redundant test cases. ये सब आपने सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में टेस्ट केसेस, रिडंडेंसी, जिसको साइक्लिक ग्राफ, ये सारा आपने पढ़ा होगा। ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे उसी की बात कर रहे हैं। साइक्लोमेटिक कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या होती है, इट इज़ a quantitative measure of number of linearly independent path through a program and is used to indicate complexity of a program. तो इसलिए हम साइक्लोमेटिक कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या करेंगे, हेल्प्स एमिंग टू रिजल्ट ऑल linearly independent paths in a program at least once. These were some of the test coverage under the testing. Now come to the advantages of structural testing. What are those? First is that provides a more thorough testing of the software, then helps finding out defects at an early stage, helps in eliminating dead code, not time consuming, as it is mostly automated. the disadvantages are the requires knowledge of the code. आपकी knowledge होनी चाहिए उस code के लिए, मतलब code को check करने के लिए, और requires training in the tool used for testing, and it is of course expensive. Now what are the tools required? Here you can see these are the some test tools that are used for white box for structural testing. Okay, so these are as follows, like JBehave, Cucumber, Junet, Cfix. Okay, now come to what is functional testing. In functional testing, it is a testing technique that is used to test the features, functionality of the system or software, that should cover all the scenarios including failure paths and boundary cases. Now there are some techniques which are used in the functional testing. Two major functional testing techniques are shown here. In this we uh, techniques moreover the functional testing in the user, other functional testing techniques are also included, like unit testing, integration testing, smoke testing, user acceptance, localization testing, interference testing, usability testing, system testing, regression, and the globalization testing. So these all the other functional testing techniques that are included. Okay, so this is all about today's session. Then this session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.